So let me show you how you can do that cool little trick on Davinci Resolve. Okay, so this is the very first shot that I have. It's of the phone. And the second shot, what I did is I downloaded a green screen and I have just set an alarm. So that's how I got this. And I did a screen recording. So now what I need to do is let me just zoom in and just make the alarm portion in focus. Yeah, somewhere around there. Now what I have to do is come to Fusion and shift spacebar, Ultra key. This is just to get rid of the green screen. So I'll bring this tool and just bring it here. So now you have this transparent alarm bar, which I'm going to paste on top of this clip. We will adjust the sizing and everything later. Let me make sure both are in the same length. I'm going to highlight both, right click, new Fusion clip. Then I'm going to come to Fusion and I'm going to rename the footage. So this is the phone and this is the alarm. So if you're not sure which one is which, what you can do is just click here to show two windows. Press 1 on your keyboard, it will show on the first screen, and press 2 on the keyboard, it will show on the second screen. So that's how you see which is which. And to see the output, you press either 1 or 2 on the keyboard. I'm going to press 1, so it will give the combined output. Let me make it to single screen. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the merge here. Pressing the alarm shot, press shift spacebar, transform, because I want to adjust the size, and I can like reduce the size to my liking somewhere around here, somewhere a little more smaller. Yeah, that's good. Now while pressing transform, shift spacebar, DVE. So what it does is, it makes your footage in 3D space. Now I can play with like X, Y, it will just, it's like in 3D space, so you can customize as per your liking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this somewhere around here. I'm going to change the X to somewhat like this, and the Y to something like this. It's up to you, wherever you're comfortable. Somewhere something like this I'm going to place. Maybe you can change the X and the Y, something like this. Yeah, cool, right? So already half work is done. Now what you can do is select this merge right here and select a mask, a rectangular mask. If I bring the mask here, it becomes visible. If it's not visible. So this is for that animation. So I'm going to create a mask like this, and I'm going to rotate the angle something like this. Maybe like exactly as per the phone, like this, and maybe increase the soft edge to a little bit. I'm going to invert here so that once I bring the mask, it becomes invisible. Now let's do the animation. For that, come back to DVE, press a keyframe in the beginning and in the center point, X and Y. I'm going to mark a keyframe here, and let me see the screen where the alarm comes. That's where I want the animation to start. I think it's right here. So I'm going to keyframe here. Now I'll come to the first keyframe that is in the beginning. I'll just move this down. So now you can see that, as the alarm shot comes, it just comes into frame. So to smoothen out the animation, you come to spline, select DVE, select this arrow right here, select all, press S on your keyboard. and get rid of this spline. Now you can see that there is a smooth animation that comes as per the alarm. Now to really sell in the effect, press DVE, shift spacebar, soft glow, press add. So it creates a nice glow right here. If you think it's too much, just decrease the gain to a little bit, and you can see before after by toggling this off and on. So when you're happy, just leave as it is. So that's pretty much it. I think you got it. If you have any questions, do let me know. So once again, I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. For those who don't know, I'm Fencer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. So now the channel has reached about 3,500 subscribers, which is huge. So thank you to each and every one of you who actually clicked the subscribe button. It really means a lot. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.